I was in a nightclub that I'd frequented many times in the past, and I was talking to one of the individuals that works in there, young lady, and next thing I know, I saw a look of fear on her face and found myself unconscious in the arms of a bouncer in the bathroom, asking me what had happened and informing me of what had happened, that he had pulled several individuals off me after they were literally beating the hell out of me. They fractured my spine, tore my ACL, broke my ribs, broke my nose, busted my teeth out, and really put a beating on me in what was described by an eyewitness as an attempt to kill me. No other reason was given other than that they were drunk, violent individuals that had frequently had problems in the bar in the past. But unfortunately, when the bar found out how serious my injuries were, they all of a sudden didn't know who these four individuals were anymore, even though they had been previously barred from the club on at least 2 occasions. At first, the club communicated with me for 2 or 3 days, and then when they learned the seriousness of my injuries, they did everything they could to distance themselves from the case and try to make it seem like it was actually my fault that I got attacked in their establishment. I knew that I was fighting big money, politically connected individuals, and I wanted to find an attorney that had the guts to go against those guys. And first round, I had an attorney file a lawsuit, but then as the case got more complicated, he bailed out on the case, and I was left pretty much high and dry. And then I found Brad Mainor, and Brad took on my case. They had it all on videotape, and they knew what happened, but they refused to show us and eventually destroyed that videotape so that we could never see what exactly happened, and we could never prove what exactly happened. And even though the proof was probably going to be a little bit tough to come by, Mr. Mainor decided to take the case on anyway, knowing that we were fighting a couple $100 million company. And Mr. Mainor took the case on, made sure that I got the medical care that I needed, kept the doctors at bay for 4 years plus, and got me walking again. When this case first happened, I spent 2 months in a wheelchair. If you get injured in Las Vegas or anywhere in Nevada and you need a personal injury attorney, I recommend you call Mainor Wirth. They took my case, they worked my case, they won my case.